You know what I've noticed about birds? They do the intimidation thing, where they're like, go get in your face here. I'm a duck. You're a cat. I don't know for sure if we're culturally compatible, but I'm gonna get in your face here. We're gonna adjust the pecking order. That's right, I'm a duck and I hiss. And then, of course, the cat, who is not culturally compatible with duck, kind of does his little, like, and then the duck goes, whoa, man, what you doing? What you doing? Quack, 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 and he leaves. This is farm animal anthropology 101 from an experienced farm animal apologist.